Hello, it's Dominic from Paphos Life. Now doing part 5 of the Old Town walkabout for 2023. And I'm in the car park below the main shopping area of Old Town now. I'm just going to have a quick look around the old Ottoman baths we saw briefly. Give me a quick look because there's not a lot to see there. But I'm here, so I may as well. I said previously, if you want to go inside these things, you should probably go on the guided tour that they give up at the tourist office every Thursday, I believe, but it's not on all times of the year, so check first. We're just going to have our own wander, and we'll use the lifts to take us topside. Just before I started filming, it was actually a queue to get in these, believe it or not. There's the other lifts over there, and beyond them is the Paphos Cat Lady's feeding station. Elegantly go in here. Turn that. But there's no one up here. It'll get a bit of a complex. Oh, there's someone, never mind. Good start. Right, now we're at Caffe Nero and the viewpoint, and I'll make more of a deal of the viewpoint if you don't mind. You can just see the lighthouse in the distance. A fair bit of building over there as well going on. That's not really what we're interested in. Look at the nice little fountains they've got at Caffe Nero. Picturesque. Then we've got, there used to be the girl with the sparrows, but then the sparrows got nicked, and there was the girl with the sparrow. And I seem to remember at one point it was the girl with the pigeon, believe it or not. Now it's just the girl who misses her sparrows. Been there 5 years now. Now this monolith here is a bit of a more recent creation, and I had to read the sign in it to work out what was going on about. But there's one in Larnaca as well, and it's all about touch, so feel free to go up and fondle it. And we're heading this way now because we've done all that in the previous films. I do like that building there though. I believe it's the old post office. I'm not sure what it is now. And this was interesting. You can actually scan to ride scooters. And there's absolutely no way that they can enforce any of the laws they've brought out about scooters there. So I'm not sure what the deal there is. Down there is the cementography murals. I'm not going to bother filming it though because I've done it in previous episodes and I'm pretty much convinced that it's missing a big chunk of it. So we'll go straight up here. I'll try and avoid walking straight into the sun as much as I can. today's film is going to be through a less touristy part of Old Town. So it too is getting renovated. There's actually another car park up here. I wouldn't bother trying to use it though, because I think mostly every time I've been here it's always been full. I think it's popular with the local businesses. Interestingly though, doesn't appear to have any numbers on it, so I'm presuming it's a free car park, which would also explain why it's full. Now this is you've got no entry signs going everywhere here. No entry sign's got a bag over its head. Presumably it knew too much. But you can see the roads are here have all been done. Nice new cobbles. And the bollards to stop people parking. And now I hope you appreciate why they put them there. They're not just for me to walk into. Now these little steps here will take you down to the main road again. And if you're following my route and you have a hankering for Percy Pig, go down there because the Marks and Spencer's is just opposite here. Nice little vista of the lighthouse again. And there's the Elysium Hotel. As autumn comes from summer, the flies start appearing again, which can be annoying when you're filming. That's unavoidable in the city, I guess. Might be the same in the countryside. It's attracted to cowpats in the countryside. Huh? Now this building here, I'm going to walk past and turn round to film because it's got a lovely big mirror. Well, mirrored windows anyway. It casts a nice reflection on the area. And what makes that even more interesting is the balcony up here. It's somebody's obviously done a great deal of effort into making that look a bit special. There have been issues in the past with the quality of the balconies in these buildings though, so hopefully that one's suitably sturdy. They did fall down a couple of years ago, not that one, but others around here. Here you can see they've got a road up. Now that's a special road, but before we go up there, I just want to take you down here, because I featured these in previous articles, and I've walked down this alley that goes back to the main road, but you can't at the moment, so I might as well show you that. Besides which you get an outfit view of the lighthouse. Over there in the distance is the Muse restaurant. But that's the alley you can no longer walk up because there's no longer a path. Presumably in the fullness of time there'll be a nice spanking brand new walkway there. Now this little road I have a fondness for because it's where there used to be a very unique art exhibition which nobody else in the world cares about apart from me, called Bear in the Air. It's no longer there. The rhyme was unintentional, I assure you. But it was on the first floor of this little building up here. It's just basically a large bear in the window. Someone had put a sign up next to it saying it was art and should be left alone. So I respected that sign. And if you look carefully, you can just see a little snowman head on its side. But the original bear is no longer there. But you can still see pictures of it because I had the foresight to make it part of Google Maps. So if you Google bear in the air, you'll be able to see it. And I stand by my decision. Right. Some medical establishment here. Dental surgeons. You know that because you can smell dentistry or hygiene anyway. Comes some more building work here. And looks like newly repaired balconies. I think these might have been the ones that collapsed. And the carver's changing his mind. See if I can get past the car without causing any problems. And now we come to, I think it's the third cementography mural. I'm going to get out of the way here so the car can get past. And this one shows a Rudolph Musa being introduced to the Queen. And down here, there is the Irish Mary Tree Park. The pronunciation, if you can indeed hear me. Yes, nice new balconies there. A driving school. I shall bite my tongue. Now there's a little road there, I think that goes round to the church car park. I'm not going to go down there though. At the moment I'm just trying to avoid getting hit by any cars. Actually no, it goes to, that comes out next to the Elian. It's on the alley down there. I got a coffee place here is quite popular, bean house. I'm getting close because it smells lovely. Oh yeah. Alex would love that smell. He's got a thing about the smell of ground coffee. Along there is the fountain on the other side of Kennedy Square. But before you get there, I just want to check out this secret garden project. I don't know how illuminated it will be. It's obviously some place to come at night. Now we'll pop into Titania shopping centre. There's not a great deal to see here, but you can get nice noodles. And once I've finished my film, I'll pop in for some noodles because I'm having a stir fry later. But I do want to, yes, yes? Yes, I will pop in. One thing I do want to show is this. It looks like an old movie camera. I know the light's not very good here, but I noticed it earlier on when I was around taking pictures. And up there's a sign for the Chinese Cypriot newspaper. And before I go and buy my noodles, I'll finish this film off in Kennedy Square. See, there's the other part of the secret garden project, the not so secret bar out front. And I'll slowly pan down so you can take in Kennedy Square on a relatively early Tuesday, October morning. That's the walkway that goes back to the Old Town Market and all the other things we saw in previous walks. And I'm heading up to the car park here just because there's a final mural I want to end up with. Also, it gives me a chance to show you the Second Cup coffee shop, which is up here. Let me go. I do my pretending to hurry walk there. And Second Cup. There's the Kennedy Square car park through there. I'm showing all the car parks because people keep asking where they are. The other question might be, where aren't they? They are in fact everywhere. Right, let's stand on here. Actually, I'm going to go on the other side because I realised earlier that the best way was just here. Right, that's the end of the 5th instalment. I think for the final one, it's going to be all over that way, on the other side of the main road. And we'll see you then. Cheers.